Two balls are dropped to the ground from different heights. One ball is dropped 2 seconds after the other, but both strike the ground at the same time. If the first ball takes 5 seconds to reach the ground, then the difference in initial heights is. So let us just try to visualize the situation. So we have been given two balls. One is dropped like this, and the other is also dropped, but it's dropped from different heights. Let us say this height. One ball is dropped 2 seconds after. So in both the cases, the initial velocity u is equal to 0. But if this is t1, then say if this is t2, we can say that t2 is basically t1 minus 2 seconds. Okay, so this is the given information. We need to find out the difference in the initial height. So this is the difference in the initial height. We also need to, okay, what else is given? Okay, if the first ball takes 5 seconds, so this complete travel takes 5 seconds for the first ball. These informations are given. So now let's try solving the question. So what can we say about, I'll take the first ball to be S1, displacement of the first ball to be S1, and that of second ball to be S2. So what can we say about S1? S1 is ut plus half gt square. Now what is the value of u? U is 0, so this is half g t square. I'll take g as 10, so 10 by 2 becomes 5, so this becomes t. T is t1 square, right? 5t1 square. What is S2? S2 would be, okay, so if you have a doubt, how would I take half gt square? See, what is S? S is equal to ut plus half gt square. U is 0, so this becomes S is equal to half into gt square or 5t square. Instead of t, we have t1 because I have assumed s1 time in t1 and s1 displacement in time t1 and s2 displacement in time t2. So what is s2? S2 will be equal to half g t2 square, which is 5 t2 square. What is being asked to find out? The difference in initial heights. See, the difference in initial heights should be equal to the difference in displacement, because it is this distance which marks the only difference between these two bodies being dropped. So difference in initial heights is equal to S2 minus S1 or S1 minus S2. What is S1? S1 is 5t1 square. What is S2? 5 into t2 square. Now, what is the relationship between t2 and t1? From here, we know that t2 is t1 minus 2. Now, what is t1? See, it is given in the question that the body took 5 seconds to come here, right? So, this is 5 into 2 square minus 5 into, oh, no, sorry, not 2 square. It should be, body took 5 seconds to come. So, the body took 5 seconds to come. So, it would be 5 into 5 square minus 5 into, the other body was released 2 seconds after. So, it should be 5 minus 2. So, 5 into 3 square, which basically gives us 5 into 5 square. I'll take 5 common. So, 5 into 5 square minus 3 square, which is 5 into 5 square is 25. 25 minus 9 is 5 into 16. So, 5 into 16 is 80. Therefore, the difference is 80 meter.